Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to set the clock, the time on a Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Procedure is going to be similar though if you got the same looking instrument cluster or if you have a Volkswagen Tiguan based on the same chassis. So we will be using the buttons here on the right side of the steering wheel. You're going to press the arrow to the right to go to settings, then press arrow down to go to time, press OK. Here we can change hours and minutes. First press OK to select hours. You can see that the time there got highlighted. You can see the time, the hours are highlighted. Then we can go up and down with the buttons again. If you wait too long, that menu disappears, but press up and down again to go to change the time. Once you change the time and you have the correct hour, press OK. Now press down to change the minutes. Press OK to select the minutes. Now we can press up and down to select, to change the minutes to whatever we need that to be, and then press OK again, and then that exits you from the minutes. Now you can scroll down to go to 24-hour mode. So instead of, if you need that time format, you can keep it that way. If you want the clock to change automatically when there's a daylight savings, then you can check or uncheck that. Now press OK to go back, and time is set. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the